So this represents step one, and what I have done, let's to review. First, I made these marks, which I call the envelope, that situates the subject on the canvas. Then I started to make a lot of lines to help me get the feeling of the object's proportions in relation to each other and their anatomy. And then I started to record the lights and darks caused by the light coming from the left, shining over to the right. We'll be ready to do the next stage as soon as this acrylic underpainting dries. Now I start out with the background, and I'm going to make the background brown, which is a greenish-brown, which is a version of yellow. So I've taken burnt umber and a little sap green, and I'm going to see how this looks. Yes, I think that's kind of a rich color, although you have to put it down to see if it's going to work. And I did put this down and saw it in relation to this color of the copper, and maybe it's not going to contrast enough, so I think I'll make it a little greener. Yeah, that's better. Thin the paint a little bit more so that it flows on better. I don't know whether you, I would like to tell you that it's a great joy to put this dark color on a toned canvas, because this color on a white canvas wouldn't look as rich. And maybe you see some streaks as I work. I see them too, but I'm not going to worry about them. I want a smooth background, but I can't lay in the color. Why don't I go right into that bottle with the color of the background, see it, since I see that through the bottle. I can't lay in the color that I want and get the appearance of the color I want in one application. Painting in oil is an important way of being able to handle oil paint well is to recognize its limitation. Don't expect it to do a wonderful thing all at once. You have to work into it. If ever you get a glare as you paint, tilt your canvas forward. Don't spin the easel around and around. Just tilting it towards you will be the solution to that problem. Now I want to make it give it an effect, and so I have a brush that is softer. Would you believe this is a hockey brush. All my brushes are also listed in that pamphlet. This is a hockey brush, but I call it a poopsy-doo brush. People say, what are you doing now? I said, so I'm just poopsy-dooing along, trying to make that background talk to me and say I look decent. And this slopping in, the vernacular is not that fancy, but the slopping in of the background color on the edges of that jug and on the edges of the copper pitcher will help me execute those found and lost lines.